Hello children, how are you all? Are you all happy? Children, how you are feeling today? Look at the picture of different faces. Some faces are happy, some faces are sad, some is thinking, some is shouting, and someone is crying. Which one is yours? Touch that. Have you touched? Okay. Today in our English class, we are going to learn a poem. The poem name is Ducks on the Water. But before starting the class, we have the question and answer session for the story The Lion and the Mouse. Hope you all remember the story. Shall I start? Here I am going to ask you some questions. Think and answer. Okay? Now tell me the answer of question number 1. Who was sleeping under a tree? Who was sleeping under a tree? The answer is the lion was sleeping under a tree. Children, if your answer is correct, please clap your hands. The second question, who was playing on top of the sleeping lion? Who was playing? The mouse was playing on top of the sleeping lion. Correct? Yes, good. Who got angry in this story? Who got angry? The lion got angry. I think your answer is correct. Who promised to help the lion? Who promised to help the lion? The answer is the mouse promised to help the lion. Okay? Hope all your answers are correct. Now, I am going to give you 2 options for one question. You have to think and tell me the correct answer. Once a lion or mouse was sleeping under a tree. Lion or mouse? Which one is correct? Lion. Okay. Next, a little cat or mouse was playing on top of the lion. Who was playing on top of the lion, cat or mouse? The correct answer is mouse. Third one, the lion caught the mouse in his paw hand. The lion caught the mouse in his paw hand. Which one is correct answer? Paw. The hunter or lion was caught in a trap. The hunter or lion was caught in a trap. Which one is correct answer? Lion. Lion was caught in a trap. The mouse cut the ropes with his sharp teeth or hands. The correct answer is the mouse cut the ropes with his sharp teeth. So children, listen the story again and all these answers also. Children, today we are going to learn a poem. The poem name is Ducks on the Water. In this poem, we will learn about how a mother duck teaches her ducklings to swim. Before that, let's discuss about duck. Ducks are birds that live mainly in water. So where duck lives? Duck lives in water. They have webbed feet for swimming. Ducks give out a special sound. You all know the duck sound? Quack, quack. Duck's mouth is called a bill. And ducks mainly eat insects, snails, and seeds from the mud. Children, remember that the male duck is called drake, while female is called duck. And the young ones of duck are called ducklings. Now tell me, what are the things we get from duck? Ducks provide us eggs and meat to eat. But some ducks also give feathers for stuffing pillows and quills. Now we are going to recite the poem. You repeat after me. Children, here is the poem. You listen carefully and you repeat after me. Ducks on the water, quack, quack, quack. Ducks on the water, quack, quack, quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Now recite it rhythmically. Ducks on the water, quack, quack, quack. Repeat after me. Ducks on the water, quack, quack, quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Recite again. Ducks on the water, quack, quack, quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Now next stanza. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind, trim little swimmers in a long straight line. Again I will tell. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind, trim little swimmers in a long straight line. Now recite it rhythmically. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind, trim little swimmers in a long straight line. Again repeat. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind, trim little swimmers in a long straight line. Now the third stanza. Out of the river, into the nest, trim for the family to have a rest. Out of the river, into the nest, time for the family to have a rest. Now repeat it rhythmically. Out of the river, into the nest, time for the family to have a rest. Again repeat. Out of the river, into the nest, time for the family to have a rest. Next stanza. Under her wings, mother duck tucks, 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Again I am repeating. Under her wings, mother duck tucks, 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Now recite it rhythmically. Under her wings, mother duck tucks, 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Again I am repeating. Under her wings, mother duck tucks, 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Shall we all sing together? Ducks on the water, quack, quack, quack. Sailing down the river and then sailing back. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind, trim little swimmers in a long straight line. Out of the river, into the nest, time for the family to have a rest. Under her wings, mother duck tucks, 2 little drakes and 3 little ducks. Children, listen the rhyme again and again and practice it properly. Now look at this page. What you are seeing? Here we have fill in the blanks. Choose words from the bracket. So what is the number 1? Ducks swim in the dash. 2 options are there. River, forest. Ducks swim in the river. Number 2. The ducklings follow their dash. 2 options are there. Mother, master. Which one is correct? Mother. So the ducklings follow their mother. Number 3. The ducks dash in a straight line. Hop, swim. Swim is the correct answer. The ducks swim in a straight line. Number 4. The ducks rest in their dash. House, nest. So the correct answer is nest. The ducks rest in their nest. Number 5. Mother duck tucks the baby ducks under her dash. Neck or wings. The correct answer is wings. Mother duck tucks the baby ducks under her wings. Now you can see the hard words. Here you know rhyming words also, no children. So in this rhyme we can see rhyming words like water, river, quack, back, right? Then you can see tucks, ducks, nest, rest. These are all rhyming words. Now look at this page. Same thing from the poem. You have to find rhyming words and you have to write. So for water, what will be the rhyming word? River. Water, river. Number 2, quack. Quack, back. Number 3, nest, rest. Number 4, tucks, ducks. Then next, what does your mother do for you? There are some options given and you have to write. Your mother makes lunch for you. Your mother helps you to get dressed. Your mother plays with you. So you have to think, select the correct option and you have to write in it. Okay children, hope you enjoyed the session. Please repeat the rhyme, listen and practice again and again. Thank you.